The Overview tab gives you a quick, high-level summary of your deal's sources and uses, showing exactly where your capital is coming from, the sources, and how it's being allocated on closing day, the uses. Everything you see here is automatically calculated based on what you've entered in the assumptions panel. Starting on the sources side, you can see how the total project cost is funded. Here, you'll see your senior debt, seller's note, and equity contributions all flowing directly from the finance structure inputs. If you have multiple equity contributors, such as your own personal equity, outside investors, or seller equity rollover, each amount is itemized here. If you've included working capital in your deal, the amount entered in the working capital section of the assumptions panel will also appear as one of your funding sources. Moving over to the uses side, this is where you can see how that capital is spent. At the top, you'll see the business acquisition amount, which reflects the purchase price you entered. If your deal includes real estate, the amount will be broken out between the purchase price of the business and the purchase price of the real estate. Below that are deal expenses, loan fees, and if you're using an SBA loan, the SBA guarantee fee, which is based on the SBA's current fee schedule and calculated automatically. If any of those fees are rolled into your senior loan, the total loan balance will reflect that automatically. And if you don't roll them in, you'll see them itemized separately. And at the very top, you'll see two key summary figures. Cash required by the borrower on closing day, which shows the total amount of cash required from the buyer to close the deal, and the amount paid to the seller on closing day, which reflects the total proceeds going to the seller, net of any roll of equity or financing offsets. Together, these two summary boxes at the top, along with the sources and uses table below, give you a snapshot of your deal structure, how the purchase is funded, how the capital is allocated, and what the seller receives at close.